For the new rules, we're looking at the derivative of sine and cosine. Now these ones we have done before, however, we're simply going to go ahead and make sure we identify them one more time. We're going to start with the derivative of sine of x. The derivative of sine of x is the cosine of x. And then if we do the derivative of cosine of x, that is going to be something similar, but it's going to have a negative of sine of x. Okay? Your derivative of natural log or natural exponential function. So now we get into the functions that we do actually identify as new. So I'm going to go ahead and write them down as what they are first. So this is y equals e to the x, e to the power of x, or again a number 2.718, 7118, so on and so forth, to the power of x. The derivative of that function of e to the x is what I would argue, again, one of the most beautiful functions in calculus, is that it is the function that when I look at every y value, the slope at that y value happens to be the same as that y value. So the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Something similar happens, but it's not nearly as nice, is the derivative of the natural log of x. And we did talk about this in a previous note, is that the derivative of natural log of x is equal to 1 over x. So now those are your three new sets of rules, again, sine and cosine, which we'll be utilizing to develop all the other trig function derivatives, and then we have exponential and logarithmic. There are other bases to deal with, but we'll do that again in another set of lectures.